Historical occasion. Before I say some few words, I would like to acknowledge the leadership of South Sudanese community and management committee for the great effort they made for the success of this occasion. Well done. This occasion is very important to all of us because it reflects what atrocity South Sudanese went through. As we know, along the journey of struggle, we have lost our loved ones. And it is very important today to reflect those difficulties and our loved ones. And also we have to know that we are very excited to witness these historical occasions. I do believe that we, those who witness this occasion, we are very lucky people. Some of our brothers and friends during these historical days. I do believe we remember them as that they say that freedom, you cannot get freedom for free. They say freedom is a victory which is irrigated or watered by blood. So that's why today we achieve these independent days through the sacrifice which has been made by our brothers, sisters, people like our hero like Dr. John Grant Mabio, Carbino Kwanyin Paul, William Yuan Ban, and others. So I would love to pay tribute to these people. So we remember them in our heart and in our history. They gave us something very important. In addition, as African community, we are very excited to work together with the South Sudanese community. At the moment we are running programs. We are implementing the program with young people. Those who need to go back to schools, those who need employment. At the moment, our young people are going through legal system. We need to help them. And through legal system, it affects them in future when they are looking for employment. As you know that if you look for employment, you have to check your record, which is police clearance. At the moment, I'm working closely with the juvenile justice team, whereby those first offenders has to be given a second chance. So I do believe that work in it, our collective effort as a community, as a parent. So I'll be working closely with South Sudanese community and the youth on those issues. Coming to issue of the independence, as you know very well that also I'm the Southern Sudanese with you. I remember when we were in Ethiopia, our late leader John Grant told Red Army in Tarpa, in Ita, and in Panyulu, and in Dima that you, young generation, Red Army, you need to go to school. Your time will come. Your objective is to build the nation, and their objective is to destroy the whole Sudan. I do believe that the time has come now. They have done their job. The time has come for the young Red Army to go home and contribute in terms of development. As you know that it's easy to destroy, but it's not easy to rebuild. In terms of development in Southern Sudan, as the South Sudan is a young nation, And the people of the South Sudan have high expectations. So they have high expectations, and those high expectations have not been met yet. So what is next? So I do want to appeal to mothers to organize some association and youth, so to go home and contribute. It depends in which area you will be able to help. Like, for example, we have issue of irrigating of disease and anger. This is a challenge because if they are independent, it work hard. So we are independent now. So we need to contribute, do something. So I have no much to say. I would like to thank one more again those who organize these wonderful occasions. Thank you very much, and God bless South Sudan.
Thank you very much. We have the Nuer community coming next, and before that there is a little bit of information to pass on that the Nuer community is going to have a fundraising day on Saturday the 29th of September 2012. Detail of the venue time will be advised soon. All are welcome to the performance of that fundraising. With that, I welcome the Nuer community. Nuer community, if you are ready, the floor is yours, the Nuer community. After the Nuer community, we'll be having a speech from the youth representative. The youth representative, you got to be ready. Okay, I've just got an information that the Nuer community are putting on the dancing shoes. So with that, if the youth representative is ready, we can give the floor to the youth representative. Viola Lake, you're welcome. Thank you.